I'm Coyote Peterson, and today I'm getting chomped by some common backyard plants. Today we're adventuring through the wilderness of the Illinois prairies. Now, this flower here is a daffodil. It might seem bright and friendly because of its warm yellow color, but don't be fooled. Bright colors like yellow in a flower actually mean that the plant is an aggressive predator. If you get too close, it will chomp you. Now, before I get myself bitten, let me tell you about plant growth. It's a common misconception that plants grow from the bottom of their stems. That's totally false. This one almost got me. There are three types of meristematic tissue. First, apical meristems, which are the root tips and the shoot tips that we just talked about. There's also lateral meristems, which is the vascular areas in the cork cambium around the xylem and the phloem inside the plant. And finally, there's the intercalary meristems, which are the areas between mature tissues, like where a leaf would attach to the stem. Wow, so many kinds of meristematic tissue. It's so fascinating. So, basically, in these meristematic tissue areas, cells just keep dividing and dividing and dividing, so the plant just keeps getting bigger from that point. So plants are constantly growing from the top. But wait, there's more. Plant growth has so many interesting parts to it, I could talk about it all day. So, hormones are another very influential factor in the way that plants grow. One special hormone called auxin is responsible for the direction of a plant's growth. In a phenomenon called positive phototropism, a plant bends towards its source of light. And the reason for this bending is because auxin builds up on the opposite side of the stem from the light source, causing the cells to become elastic and allow the flower to bend closer to its light source. So let's say this daffodil was demonstrating positive phototropism. If the sun was over there, auxin would be building up on this side of the stem, causing the flower to bend like this. Well, see, there's also a reverse negative phototropism, which would be the plant bending away from the sunlight. Positive gravitropism, which is the plant responding to gravity by bending downwards. And negative gravitropism, you guessed it, the plant defying gravity by bending upwards. Alright, it's time to get chomped. Look at the jaws on this thing. This could get ugly. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, the teeth went right through the skin. Look at that. Lucky for me, daffodils are long night plants, meaning they only flower best when there's around 12 hours of darkness per 24-hour cycle, because of the amount of red light and far red light that they're going to receive. So, if I put a lamp over these daffodils and artificially creating a longer day and therefore a shorter night, they wouldn't be able to flower. So, if anyone else were to stumble into a bush of these horrible, predatory things, they would not have to endure the same pain I just did. Until next time, be brave, stay wild, and I'll see you on the next adventure.